Gavana wa Siaya, James Orengo, amesema Wakenya wa kawaida wanaendelea kukumbwa na ugumu wa maisha kutokana na kile alichokitaja kuwa ni uongozi mbaya nchini. Orengo amesema changamoto kama gharama ya juu ya maisha, ukosefu wa ajira, pamoja na ugumu wa kupata huduma muhimu zimeendelea kuwa mzigo kwa wananchi wengi. Amewataka viongozi kuweka maslahi ya wananchi mbele badala ya siasa za migawanyiko. Kauli yake inajiri wakati taifa linaendelea kushuhudia mjadala mpana kuhusu hali ya uchumi, utawala na uwajibikaji wa viongozi.
There's no fracas, there is no march, there's no demonstration, there are no vehicles on the road, and even holding a press conference becomes difficult. But we're undeterred. So somebody was asking a question.
Yes, so many years later, do you understand why Kenyans are still unhappy and want to keep fighting?
They are unhappy because the foundational principles upon which this struggle started have not been met. And we have a new constitutional dispensation, and that constitution is like it doesn't exist. People are still being abducted. There are extrajudicial killings, and a lot of people are being detained and prosecuted on trumped-up charges. That's just on the area of human rights. But if you talk to the ordinary Kenyans today and ask them, is their life better compared to, say, 3-4 years ago, they will tell you life is not as good as it should be. If you ask an ordinary civil servant his paycheck or her paycheck, he'll tell you, or she'll tell you, the amount of taxation they're paying, SHA and pay as you earn, where the president said the pay as you earn are going to be removed for a category of employees, particularly public servants. So there are issues that were brought up during the Gen Z's movement 2 years ago. If you go through each one of them, including taxation, nothing has really changed. That's why people are very, very unhappy. And I'm glad you're saying people are unhappy, because if I said it, they will not believe me. But people are unhappy. Sawa. Asante sana.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
James Orengo, gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya, mmoja kati ya viongozi muhimu katika historia ya maandamano ya Sabasaba, akisema japo hatua zimepigwa bado taifa linagaagaa tu katika kile anachotaja ni haki, uwajibikaji na demokrasia thabiti. Amezidi kupinga vikali